guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's get right into this video. So for today's video, I'm going to try something different. Usually I do voiceovers, but I'm going to try to do it as I'm talking because it would save time and it's just much easier. So I'm going to be doing the Femi Beauty method, and I'm going to be using some tips that I got from AliExpress. But I ordered two of the coffin, the long coffin, but one is supposed to be soft gel and the other is AB plastic. I'm not sure if you can see it, but I'm not sure how I can tell the difference. So if you guys can tell me how I can find out the difference, just let me know. And then I also got some Stiletto from AliExpress, and I was making sure that I link this down below. But I'm going to use these stilettos for us today, so I'm just going to size out these nail tips. Okay, so once I sized out my tips, these do fit a little bit more square around the cuticle, so I'm just going to take my hand file and kind of just round them out just a little bit, just so they fit more, just so they fit better around my cuticle area. And they don't need much filing, so I won't be doing a whole lot. And once I have filed the back of these nails, I'm just going to take some base coat from Makartt and just paint a layer over my nails and cure in my nail light for 30 seconds. And I am doing my dominant hand with my non-dominant hand. So if it looks like I'm holding the brush weird, that's why. Okay, so once I have cured this base coat to my nails, I'm going to be using this green wings polygel from Makartt from their so this is why I don't do this type of videos. That's why I always do voiceovers, because I don't, what is this, Mariposa. I'm using their green from their Mariposa Mayhem kit, and I asked for some suggestions. And my nail friend Naomi Nails, she suggested that I use this green color because people hardly ever use this green color. Mostly they're using like the pinks and the purples like here. So yeah, I'm going to be using mostly this green color. And I'm starting by adding some this green in the tip, and I'm going to use some 70% rubbing alcohol to just pat this in place. And you don't need a lot of this, because if you add too much, it will eventually spill from underneath the nail once you go to attach it to your nails. So, oh, and if you hear the birds, I'm sitting right next to my window, so just don't pay that no mind. And I don't even know if I'm going to use this audio. I might just eventually do a voiceover if it doesn't sound right. So if I do use it, just let me know what you guys think. If I should do more of these types of videos, or if I should just do voiceovers. But like I said, I don't want to use too much, so I'm just going to leave it at that. And then I'm just going to press it onto my nails and cure in a nail light for 30 seconds. And here's what it looked like after I have cured it, but I kind of think that it needs a little bit more in the tip. So I'm just going to add a little bit more here. Then I'm just going to cure it for another 30 seconds. So next, I'm going to be using this from their Mariposa collection bundle. And this is their nail decoration kit, and I'm going to be using these since these are the only ones that match with this color polygel. And before, I'm going to put some of these inside the nail. So before I can do that, I need to add a layer of base coat. And then I'm just going to use my polygel brush and just put some of these inside the nails how I want. Okay, so once I got these inside the nail, I'm just going to cure these and freeze them in place. And I just flash cured for about 15 to 20 seconds. And then I'm just going to add another layer of base coat for protection, because if you don't seal this in, sometimes the polygel that you add can like seep underneath these, and once you go to put it on your nails, the butterflies won't show. And then once I've cured that, I'm just going to use this pure white from Model Ones. Makartt didn't have a white in their Mariposa kit, so I'm just going to add some of this white. The nails on my left hand are so long, but like I like these so much. Usually I take my nails off, but these I like so much I had to keep them on. So if you haven't seen the video for those nails, make sure that you go check it out. I will link it in the cart. And hopefully that bird isn't too loud, because I'm literally right next to my window, and I would be so mad if I actually like this audio and the bird is like being super loud and disrespectful in the background. So once I got this how I want, I'm just going to put it on my nail. I didn't know exactly what I wanted to do. I just know I was going to use this green color. So, and it kind of takes me a while to like figure out my designs unless I get like inspo from someone else's pick. But I'm just going to do this a full of this green color because I want to use the 3D butterflies since I didn't use them in my last video. So I'm just going to put some polygel into my middle fingernail and just pat this into place. Okay, so for my next nail, I'm going to add some more base coat. I'm going to be doing a green to white ombre with some butterflies. So I'm going to add a layer of base coat in the nail and place the butterflies how I want, and then I'm going to add the polygel. Okay, this is what it looks like after I have finished. Hopefully it looks right, because these are so tricky, because like since the nail is curved, the butterflies are flat. Sometimes they won't lay like in the deeper part of the nail. So I'm just going to freeze these in place and add a layer of base coat. And then I'm going to be doing ombre. So with doing the Femi Beauty method, you have to start with the top color first, because that one will show on top. So if that makes sense, compared to doing it with the tips, you have to do the bottom first because you want that one to be underneath, but you're working from the top to, I'm not sure if I'm making sense, but I'm pretty sure you guys know what I mean. Ah! Oh my gosh. Y'all, I literally just turned over my butterfly. So after an annoying 15 minutes of cleaning those up, I'm just going to wipe away some of this polygel because I added too much. That's what I was trying to do before the butterflies flipped over. I added too much, so I was going to like wipe some off, and then I'm just gonna go in with the white at the tip. And then lastly, I'm just going to do this, a solid color of this green. So once I have cured these into place, I'm just going to take the hand file and I'm just going to get the sides and kind of reshape the nails and also the cuticle area, just in case I have some spillage. And then once I have filed, I'm just going to remove the dust from one of these nails. And this is what they look like so far. I don't know how I'm feeling about these yet, but I'm just going to add the butterfly, the 3D butterflies, and then see how I feel. So I'm going to be adding the, I'm not sure which color match because it's two. I mean, these are more green than these, but I'll just add the green. So to adhere these, I'm going to use some of this top coat gel, and I'm just going to put some on my pinky. And then once I get it, oh, this is blue. Once I get it how I want, I'm just going to cure this in place. And then I'm also going to add one to my ring and my thumb. And then once I have froze those into place, I'm just going to add some top coat to all of the nails. And then next, I'm just going to add my cuticle oil and rub that into my cuticles. And after this, I am done. And this is how the nails turn out. I'm not sure how I feel about these, but I really do love this polygel. I love this color, how the colors are like iridescent and how it has like that little shimmer in it. And I also love these 3D butterflies. I'm not sure if I place these like in a right position, but I don't plan on wearing these, so I just wanted to use them. I think they are super cute. Yeah, but these are how the nails turn out. And as always, if you have made it this far, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.